morning, students. Yesterday we had a live class where we had a lot of interaction. I'm happy that you had asked many questions and doubts. So based on that, at least one or two of your question answers, I would like to take this class, because I want that you learn little things better and things are more clear to you. I asked one boy, this chapter 14 of your comprehension, the boyhood of John Muir, is talking about which place? He is talking about his boyhood in which place? So one said it is Scotland, because the text starts coming from Scotland, but it also says coming from Scotland to Wisconsin, USA, then getting acquainted with animals around. I also said come is a verb, coming is a noun here, because we can't start a sentence with a verb. So it's not a verb here, it is a verb made into a noun adding ing. In your lesson on verb, this type of verb is not introduced to you. In 7 or 8 you have this adding ing and making a verb into a noun. This type of noun are known as gerund. I wrote here. So I am not here to teach you a new grammar, but my interest here is to make you understand this text. All of you have got the same question. Sir, will this text come for exam? I repeatedly say, you don't worry about this text. What you need to worry about is understanding some difficult text like this. So I am trying to help you to understand this text. I am going to spend this class only for this first para, few lines. Another reason is, in any lesson or text, the first para should give the nutshell, the brief summary of the lesson. So in your any comprehension text, you should understand the first para very well. Okay, if you don't understand the first para very well, then you will be always misled. And once reading the first para alone will not help you. You have to read the whole text, again read. That's why I said yesterday, read 2-3 times you read. Okay. Now why I am saying this, just look at this para, how much message it has got and how difficult is this sentence is. I'm only trying to show you how difficult is this sentence. I'm not making an attempt to teach all the grammar. Understand? Okay, good. Now, your book starts coming from Scotland to USA, the Wisconsin, USA. Coming from Scotland to Wisconsin in USA. This is the noun. One sentence. One sentence is noun. It's known as compound noun because many words are there. So coming is the noun word. Okay? And this has got other words from Scotland to USA. It gives you information that the author has come from Scotland to USA. Okay. And this is the noun. Then another noun is already here. And it's not given in the book, I'm just adding it. Comma is there. Okay. So, and next now, getting acquainted with animals. Another noun sentence. A compound noun. See how difficult is this paragraph? So what? This is the verb here. Now small auxiliary verb. Was a delightful and wonderful experience. Something like that given. I'm not writing everything. Then the object follows. Such a difficult sentence. Okay. And yet it has got a lot of message. So there in the farmland and the lake nearby in Wisconsin, USA, where the author has come as a boy, has got many animals. And became acquainted means getting accustomed. Getting acquainted. It's a wonderful experience. That's what author is saying. So lot of information is given in the first sentence. That's what I wanted to say to you. Okay. Now I explain the sentence a little more in a simple way. What we use, like you see, coming and going to school. Coming and going. What is this coming? Coming from home and going to school. Two nouns, two compound nouns used here. This you may use coming from school or coming from home and going to school by bus whatsoever. Still the noun is spoken. Is verb here, a pleasant job object. So coming and going to school, or coming to school and going to school, coming from school, whatever it is coming and going are two nouns put together, two nouns in one sentence. Again, singular verb. This coming and going is one act, the travel. So is used. The travel to school, that is coming and going. I'm trying to give you a simple sentence because it's not a good English, but up to your standard I have to explain. That's why. Coming from home and going to school by bus with the other classmates. All this now sent noun only. Is comes verb, subject, all this subject. Is a pleasant job. So some type of this sentence is given here. So you must understand it very clearly, then get the message. This is what I want to teach you students. So don't think simply we are learning for exam. Try to learn the language used in this text. Let any text come for the exam, from the book or outside the book. You must know this type of language. Try to understand. So read more than you understand. When I read just one sentence, I got the message because I am accustomed to reading. Lot of experience in reading and writing in English. Okay. So that you practice. Okay. That's why exercise, class, listening to audio and all. All the best. Thank you.